Hello everyone, I am Divyajyoti Ponda, lecturer in physics. In this video lecture, we will learn about basic concept of refraction of light. So let's begin. See, we have learned about refraction phenomena during starting of the chapter ray optics. So from today we will learn details about refraction. Okay, so see, when light travels in the same homogeneous medium, it travels along a straight path. So everyone know ray follow a straight path whenever it is traveling in a homogeneous medium, or light follow a straight path whenever it is traveling in a homogeneous medium. Then however, when it travels from one transparent medium to another, it deviates from its original path and pass obliquely from one to another. Okay, this phenomenon is called refraction of light. Then definition: the phenomenon of the change in the path of light as it passes obliquely from one transparent medium to another is called refraction of light. See in this diagram, see in this diagram, see this is the incident ray. It is traveling from one medium, that is air medium, to glass medium. So after interaction with the glass medium, the ray is deviate from its original part. See, this is its original part, what it is deviating, and the ray is passing obliquely in the second medium. Okay, so it is happening only due to refraction. Then in this figure, due to change in medium, the refracted ray not following the path of incident ray, then terms incident ray. The path along which the light travel in the first medium is called incident ray. See, this is incident ray. So the path along the which the light travels in first medium is called incident ray. Then refracted ray, same thing. The path along which the light travels is called refracted ray. Then angle of incident. Angle of incident is the angle between incident ray and normal. Then angle of refraction, it is the angle between refracted ray and normal. Then angle of incident is represented by small I, whereas angle of refraction is represented by small r. Then there are three diagrams. From these three diagrams we observe that when a light passes from an optically rarer medium to denser medium, it bends toward the normal as shown in figure A. For this case, the angle of refraction is less than the angle of incident. See, in this case, the ray is traveling from an optically rarer medium to denser medium. Air is rarer medium and glass is denser medium. So, in this case, the refracted ray will bend towards the normal. Okay, so the angle of refraction will be less than the angle of incident, that is r is less than I. Then from second diagram, when a ray of light passes from an optically denser medium to rarer medium, it bends away from the normal as shown in figure. For this case, the angle of refraction is greater than the angle of incident, that is angle r is greater than angle I. See in this diagram, the ray is passing from glass to air, means denser medium to rarer medium, so it will deviates from what? Deviate away from the normal. So angle of refraction r is greater than angle of incident I. And third case is when a ray is left light traveling along the normal, it will pass and there is no deflection in such type of light. So for this case the angle of incident equal to the angle of what? Refraction is equal to 0. See the incident ray, see this is the incident ray, it is passing normally, so it is pass along normal of the normal to the what? Surface. So there is no deflection of refraction light in such case. So I equal to r equal to 0, or we can say angle of incident is equal to angle of refraction is equal to 0. So during Zoom class we will discuss clearly about this concept. Okay, thank you.